In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a member-only page in Wix. If you want to share exclusive content, resources, or updates with people who are logged into your site, this is a simple and effective way to do it. I'll walk you through creating a brand new members-only page and also show you how to convert an existing page so only members can see it. Start in the Wix editor. On the left side of your screen, look for the Pages panel in the toolbar. Click it to open your site's list of pages. At the top right of that panel, you'll see a plus icon to add a new page. Click that plus icon to open the page options. From the options that appear, select Custom Member Page. Wix will instantly create a blank page that's restricted to your site members. That means only visitors who are logged in as members will be able to view it. Everyone else will be blocked from seeing the content. This is perfect for things like a private resource library, a course hub, or a perks page for subscribers. Now start building out the page just like any other page in the editor. Add your text, images, sections, and buttons. You can customize the design to match your brand, include a short welcome message so members know they're in the right place, and lay out your content clearly. Consider grouping information with headings, adding call to action buttons that point to other member resources, and keeping navigation straightforward so members find what they need quickly. It's also helpful to rename the page in the Pages panel so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple member-only sections. If you already have a page that you want to restrict, you don't need to rebuild it. In the Pages panel, hover over the page you want to protect and click the three dots icon next to its name. Choose Access, then change the setting to Member Only. That instantly converts the page so it's visible exclusively to your site members while keeping all your existing content and design intact. That's all there is to it. You've now created a members-only experience in Wix, either by adding a brand new custom member page or by converting an existing page through the Access settings. Keep your content clear and valuable, and you'll have a clean, professional space just for your members.